Transferring money from Wechat to Alipay is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Link both your Wechat and Alipay account to the same bank account. Then transfer money from your Wechat wallet to your linked bank account. Now use the same bank account to fund your Alipay account. Both Wechat and Alipay allow users to send and receive digital red packets, which is also known as hongbao. You could send a red packet from your Wechat account to a friend and then have that friend send a red packet to you on Alipay. Some third-party services may provide a solution for transferring money between Wechat and Alipay, but it's important to be cautious and use trusted services to avoid potential scams. If you have a friend who uses both Wechat and Alipay, you may be able to transfer money to them through one platform and ask them to transfer an equivalent amount to you on the other platform.